This video will show you how to remove the boot side linings for the BMW F10 5 Series. Also, should you want to work with us on a different project, get in touch using the details in the description. From time to time, we're publishing interesting content on our website. Make sure to check that. This being said, let's play the video. Using my favorite grommet puller, 4 clips to go, and this should come out. 2-piece construction. I should have done this before removing the plate. With a 13mm, we are removing the hooks that are holding the back seat. That will allow us to remove the side panels and later place all the cables as OEM as possible. Time to undo the last 2 big bolts that are holding the back seat. For this, I am using a T50 with an extension. We have removed back seats, we have removed boot lining. The plan is to remove also the side linings, T40, side hooks, and all the plastic trims from the back, and we see where we are after we remove these.